Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be making a lip oil today, and I'm going to be using sweet almond oil and saffron, and we're going to be using this two as a lip oil for those that have black lips. If you're looking for how to take care of black lips, sweet almond oil helps to heal chapped lips because of the moisturizing properties it has. It is softening, it's nourishing, it's moisturizing, it is rich in vitamins, and it has a lot of qualities that makes it ideal as a natural lip balm. And we're going to be combining this with saffron. Saffron is a wonderful element that is good for reducing pigmentation, brown and dark spots, and other skin blemishes. It has bleaching properties that can help to lighten dark spots and brown spots or black spots on the body. So combining these two is a very good lip balm for you if you're looking for how to lighten your dark lips. So I have a lip container here, and simply I'm just going to be adding some almond oil in this. If you don't have almond oil, you can use olive oil alternatively. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of my saffron to infuse it into my lip container, and I'm going to leave this to infuse for about 24 hours, at least for 24 hours. The longer it stays, the better, but by the time it's over 24 hours, it's now okay for you to use. Guys, so this is my lip oil right now, my saffron infused in my almond oil. So anytime you want to moisturize your lips, just simply take a bit of this oil and use it on your lips like so. Continuous usage of this is going to help you to lighten up your dark lips. A lot of people have dark lips as a result of different things. It can be hormonal, it can be due to cosmetics, using a bad lip gloss or bad lip balm. It can be anything basically. It's not only smoking. It's not only those that smoke that have black lips. Black lips can happen as a result of many things. So if you're looking for how to get rid of it, using the saffron and the almond oil will help you a great deal. For this remedy, I would advise you to use saffron and almond oil, but if you can't get almond oil, alternatively you can use olive oil. Olive is quite popular and easier to get than almond oil, but you can also get almond oil if you search for it in beauty supply stores, because almond on its own has a lot of nourishing, softening, moisturizing properties, and it also helps to lighten all those dark spots, dark marks on your skin as well as your lips. So doing this consistently is going to give you results that are fast. You have to be consistent in doing this. If you have black lips, I would advise you to skip your lip glosses or lip sticks for some time and just continue using this like a lip gloss or your lip balm. Doing this every time, morning, afternoon, night, is going to help you to get rid of all the blackness, all those black stains on your lips. If you want to also take it a step further, anytime you're brushing your lips, kind of use your toothbrush with some Vaseline to lightly brush on your lips to exfoliate your lips before you apply this lip oil. This is my video for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a good thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video because you might be helping someone. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't wait anymore. Kindly use this opportunity to subscribe, and please also join me on my second channel, Tomi Adenuga, where I share my cooking and lifestyle experiences. Stay beautiful because you're beautiful, and I'll see you in subsequent videos. Bye.